Hi boys and girls, I'm going to show you how you can look for a informational book for your writing this week. So you're going to go to the Clever website, which is going to be clever.com/in/Hawaii. Okay, you'll get to this site, you're going to input your username and then your password. So your username is your student ID number and your password is your birthday, including 4 digits for the year. Once you're in, you're going to look for this icon that says MyOn and you're going to click it. You're going to look at the top. I'm going to choose, yours might not look exactly like this, but I'm going to click on this one that says library. And I'm going to click the magnifying glass to search. And I will move I moved my screen so that you can see some more. So in this search bar, you're going to type in the animal that you want to research this week. So I'm going to type in dogs and we'll see what comes up. Okay, so there will be different types of books. You can read the book to see what it's about. Remember to press start the book. Okay, so I'm just flipping through to see if this is going to give me some information about dogs. And it looks like it will. Alright, so it looks like there's a good amount of informational books about dogs in MyOn, so that would be a good topic that I could choose. If you wanted to choose dogs, you could do dogs as well. If you wanted to choose another animal, that's fine too. So another example would be maybe like elephants. You would type that in, press this magnifying glass, and you could see some informational books about elephants. And you can use them to fill out your tree map.